Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot at the same time. This seemingly contradictory setup allows one device to receive internet via Wi-Fi while simultaneously broadcasting it as a hotspot to other gadgets. Imagine extending a public Wi-Fi signal to your tablet, or sharing a wired connection wirelessly without needing an extra router. It's quite useful. Utilizing both connections offers several practical advantages. You might extend a weak Wi-Fi signal from a coffee shop to more devices, ensuring everyone stays online. This setup also helps when a public network restricts the number of connected gadgets, letting you bypass that limitation easily. Furthermore, you can save valuable mobile data by prioritizing Wi-Fi for your primary use, only sharing your hotspot when absolutely necessary. The primary technique for achieving this involves a process called network bridging, usually on a laptop or desktop computer. Essentially, you configure your operating system to combine two separate network interfaces, like your Wi-Fi adapter and your mobile hotspot adapter, into a single logical unit. This allows internet traffic received by one interface, for example, your Wi-Fi, to be seamlessly forwarded through the other, acting as a hotspot. It's a clever way to extend connectivity. For Windows users, the setup is straightforward. First, ensure your computer is already connected to the Wi-Fi network you wish to share. Then, navigate to the Network and Sharing Center and click on Change Adapter Settings in the left pane. Here, you will see a list of your network adapters. Select both your Wi-Fi adapter and the adapter you use for your mobile hotspot. Right-click and choose Bridge Connections to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.